how to export leads from Zoho CRM. So first, go to your Zoho CRM homepage, and then find the leads section here at the top. Click on it, and then find the actions section here, and then click on it, and then choose export leads. So as you can see here, you can already choose what kind of custom view you want to export. For example, just click on the drop down and just choose which kind of lead do you want to export. But for this example, let's just leave it be. And then from the fields, just click on the drop down and just choose which fields you want. Fields from custom view, all fields, or choose fields, whatever you want. So for this example, we'll just leave it be as well, and then just click on export, and yeah, that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next video.